Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Windows laptop run faster. So first to do that, just click on the Windows Start button on the PC, then you head over and click on the search tab on the screen, then you search for this cleaner, click on it. Right here, you click on the option. So right here I have to storage drive on my PC. I have the virtual drive, then I have the drive C. Then you click on the drive C, then you click on OK. Then the Windows is going to automatically scan the unwanted file on your PC. Then you just click on OK. Right here, you can permanently delete all the unwanted file that might be slowing down the speed of your laptop to make it work faster and effective. And you delete the file, and that is how you can make your system run faster and better. Find it helpful, like and follow. Thank you.